Ooh, it's doing good. It's been about 2 days, and now it's been growing. Last night I was checking it to see, and it needed to be watered, so I had to water it. And if you come close over here, you can see how much there are, and how this is how you want your soil, where it's nice and dark brown or in black. You don't even have to feel it. All you gotta do is look at it. But these are the radishes. They come up first. But nothing else sprouted yet, germinated yet. But this germinated so far. And I hope it continues, because every time I get to this point, I come back and they're gone. So we'll see the progress and see how good they do. Just if you're growing this stuff, just keep on keeping it water where it's nice and moist. So I'll be back with you when it grows some more, if it does. It's been 7 days since we planted all the stuff except for the lettuce. So our radishes are doing really good, and our carrot, and our basil, cilantro, and coriander, and parsley behind you. We don't know, it doesn't look like the parsley sprouting, but I'll show you in a minute. And it's been about 2 days since we planted the lettuce, and the reason why it's already germinated so fast was because me and my mom will soak it in water for like 15 to 30 minutes. And my strawberry plants are doing good. And there's a strawberry that turns red that's almost ready to eat. And when you get runners, what you can do is cut them off and then grow another strawberry plant and get bigger strawberries. So you can tell that everything is doing really good. But it looks a little dry, so after I record the video, I'll have to water it a lot where it's nice and moist. And as you can see, the parsley hasn't germinated yet, so if it doesn't germinate by next week, then what we'll have to do is put more parsley seeds in here, replace it with more parsley seeds. And if you have problems with bugs, instead of buying all those special killing equipment, kill bugs and vinegar and all that, just buy those plants that can eat the bug, and we will have a picture of it right about here. So you just want to keep on watering it where it's nice and moist, where the soil all nice and black, and the moist water, the better. Just don't overwater it, but when it gets watered more, it grows faster. So just make sure when you see strawberry runners, to save them to grow another strawberry plant, or you get bigger strawberries, because the kind of strawberries I got are small. So I'll see you back in a few days or something when the plants grow even more.